In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a table to a page in a Glide app quickly and efficiently. By the end of this tutorial, you'll not only have your table set up, but you'll also understand how to customize it to fit your needs. So, let's dive right in and get started. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Glide Apps. If you haven't visited this site before, you can easily find it with a quick search. Once the page loads, go ahead and open the link to the Glide Apps platform. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to enter your credentials. Otherwise, you can proceed right to your dashboard. Now, depending on your needs, you have the option to either create a brand new app or select one from your existing projects. For those of you starting fresh, the creation process is straightforward, but today we'll focus on adding a table to your app. So, once you've accessed your app, look towards the Components area. Here, you'll find a plus icon. Click on it and a menu will pop up. From there, select the Table option. With the table now added to your app, direct your attention to the General section in the right-hand sidebar. You'll see a variety of settings here, but for now, click on Source to choose your data sources. This step is vital as it informs the table about which data to display, allowing you to pull information seamlessly from your chosen databases or spreadsheets. Next, it's time to provide a title for your table. Think of a title that best represents the data being displayed, something clear and informative to your app users. As you're inputting this, Glide is working behind the scenes to arrange your data into columns automatically. But don't worry, you're not stuck with the default settings. Glide offers flexibility. You can tailor the table to your liking by clicking the X to remove unnecessary columns, using the plus add item to introduce new ones, or dragging the three-dot icon to reorder them as you please. Once your columns are set up, experiment with the design options available. Glide provides two main styles, minimal and striped. Choose the one that visually appeals to you or best matches your app's aesthetic. Lastly, you have the option to set a limit on the number of items displayed and choose the page size appropriate for your users' needs. This allows you to control the amount of data shown at any given time, keeping your interface clean and user-friendly. And with everything configured to your satisfaction, it's time to unveil your work. Simply click the Publish button, and your table will be live in your app for all your users to enjoy. Thanks for following along, and I hope this step-by-step guide empowers you to maximize the functionalities of your Glide app. Until next time, happy app building.